Hello friends, today I have Acer Aspire motherboard. This laptop problem is battery not charging. Model motherboard model number is DA0ZRWMB6G0 revision G. Now I give power. See, it not get milliamps, okay? 0 milliamps and charging LED is on, but battery is not charging. Now we can diagnostic step by step this fault. Before checking, I want to show you how to work in this charging IC. It's a schematic. See, IC model is BQ24780S. See, this is a DC jack input voltage area. It come to here. This one have diode and it come to plus MOSFET. This MOSFET gate is controlled by this charging IC. Okay. Now we can check. Firstly, we want to check charging IC VCC pin. After, we want to check AC detect pin. Third one, REGN region voltage 6 volt. And fourth pin is the ACOK. ACOK line have voltage divider circuit. See, input voltage 6 volt. First resistor 100K. Second resistor 100K. These two resistors have same value. This voltage is a half voltage. It means 6 volt. This one should be 3 volt. Okay. Now I check one by one this pin with multimeter. Now I check pin number 28 VCC pin. We can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 21, 28. This one. See friend, voltage is present. Second voltage, pin number 6, AC det. It means AC detect. This one. It come 2.7. It is okay voltage. See. Now I check third pin, REGN 24 pin. See. It is come 6 volt. It means these press checking 3 pins are working. Now I check AC drive mean press MOSFET gate pin. Okay, this is a press MOSFET. I check this is a gate pin. See, it is come 25 volt. It means our charging IC main basic main function are working. Now I check our ACOK line pin number 5. This one pin number 5. See, it show 3.9 volt. See, This one is fault because this one have 100k 2 MOSFET for voltage divider circuit. It should become 3 volt, but this motherboard pin is show through 3.99 voltage. I am sure this voltage divider circuit resistor value is definitely low or high. Now I check this voltage divider circuit resistors. See friend, this one is resistors. This one and this one. This one PR1, this one PR4. Okay. Now I do turn off my power supply and remove the battery. I check this resistor value with multimeter. PR1 value, this one multimeter is showing 82 kilo ohm. This one say 79 kilo ohm. Okay. Now I do one thing. I hope to remove these two resistors from the solder pad. Now I can check actual value of these resistors. See friend, this one is show 50 kilo ohm. It means these resistors are bad. I hope to replace these two. Not replace one, I replace these two. This one is brand new resistor. I replace it. Now I check this area voltage. Wait, I not plug the DC jack. See friend. Now what is the voltage? See, this is our. I think our job is done. Now this area have 3 volt. It means our repair is done. Friends, I solder new resistors. Now voltage is okay. Now we can check with plug-in battery. It is our job is done or not. Okay, plug the battery. Now I turn on power supply. Wait, whatever. Wait. See, battery is charging. It is our job. 100% success. My job is done. Problem is ACOK line. Voltage is high. It should be 3 volt, but this motherboard voltage 4 volt. It is a signal fail. Okay, I replace 100 kilo ohm to resistors. Now all are working. Battery is charging. My job is done. Thanks for watching.